अपना है दिल ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे 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 Now I will play the instrument together we will all sing. Okay.
का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है जा लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है जा लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है
I would like to share with you with your permission. Is that okay? It goes this way. If there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in character. I'll repeat. If there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in character. If there is beauty in every character, there is order to the nation. Sorry, there is harmony at home. If there is harmony in every home, there is order to the nation. And if there is order to every nation, there is peace in the world. You all agree? Yes. It all begins with myself. To have a righteous heart. And I was smiling chokra. Okay, now next is no singing at the moment. I'll take a break. Again, I'll give you a spot prize.
आओ मेहनत को अपना ईमान बनाए अपने हाथों से अपना भगवान बनाए राम की इस धरती को गौतम की भूमि को सपनों से भी प्यारा हिंदुस्तान बनाए नया खून है नई उमंग है अब है नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी I think everybody can sing हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी Thank you everyone जय हिंद
Very nice. You'll sing in the same manner as your name is sounding so good to the ears.
My mama wanted to wear this dress, so
Okay.
I wore this piece.
Oh, and my daddy wanted me to wear the black and white, so I wore this.
Oh, you look very handsome.
Oh, handsome, very nice. The Jaya auntie says on card, Mehta, you look like handsome. Okay, come, baby, come in, come. You also want the mic?
For giving your time and attending over here. I would also like to thank the managing committee for their support. Our decorator, Mr. Prakash, for this beautiful decoration. And our caterer is the person who will be running the restaurant. He's the conductor, Mr. Sudhir Hegde. And of course, Joe Fernandez, the new talent we have just discovered. So thanks to him and office staff, Avinash, who's created our website. Please request all of you to visit our website, to like us on Facebook, give us ideas. We need to progress. Our country has completed 78 years. This club has completed more than 15 years. But we are still backward here. So please join in, help us. Our manager is doing a good job, Mr. Gauri, well supported by Avinash, Mr. Misra, and of course Mr. Fernandez. We have our gym trainers, they also are doing a good job. So what you see, gentlemen, ladies, we are trying to improve. Our first target was to get the clearances, get the restaurant done. We had lots of ups and downs, but what we finally settled down was someone who could bear the cost of renovating our WCs. Frankly, I used to feel whenever I used to come, I never used the WC because almost like a BMC one. So now it has been done. I hope it meets satisfies all the requirements. The restaurant will be starting in September. The banquet hall will also be there. Our next target will be to go ahead with the swimming pool. The current structure is such that at one time we cannot have more than 4 or 5 swimming. So maybe make it a square, improve on that, improve on the turf, and maybe even on the terrace. What we require is more people to come forward. The committee will place before the AGM if we can co-opt some members to support the committee. Please remember, this is yours. Okay, all this what you see here belongs to you, the members. Okay, we are just what you call the committee members are trustees. So please join in and help us make it a better place. And be free with your suggestions. Like lots of suggestions have come in for the gym, and we are continuously upgrading it. So likewise, even the turf, I would rather have more of a sports thing. That is the requirement today. We are all living in a pressure cooker. The children trying to do competitive exams, the parents both, double income, no kids, that's what we used to call during my time. I mean, too busy. Children don't get time, parents don't get time. So we require support in developing the turf area and also that lawn area where during the week we can have some activities. The club will support you. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. If there are any questions, feel free to ask now. Thank you.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।